Hey gang, welcome back to another Merly on Time. This is my weekly unboxing, unpackaging video, and this one is a little bit different because this is not a watch, but this is something that I got so that I can do some things on this watch collecting journey that I have been on. And so what I got in the package today is a watch kit. So let's just crack it open real quick and have a look. This will enable me to do some more things, I think. So it came in this nice canvas holder, I guess. Cadram. Just got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the pinned comment and description. But let me just crack this open and you can see what we have in the package here. Whole bunch of useful tools. This is really cool, right? Bunch of spring bars in there. Pin removal tool, case back. You can hold your case back in this so that you can take off the case back, change out a battery. Got the big tool here to take the case backs off. Bunch of different sized tools for sizing, removing pins, adjusting the micro adjust on a watch or whatever. So yeah, just a little quick little unboxing to show you little mallet hammer to tap on to take out certain pins and bracelets. So yeah, a nice Bergeron tool there. To take off bracelets as well. Anyway, guys, thought I should have one of these. Maybe at some point I'll get to modding a watch of my own, putting a new dial in or a new handset or something like that. And this toolkit should help me out a little bit in doing that. So there you go, watch repair kit, guys. Hey, what am I wearing on my wrist today? The Steel Dive SD 1970 that I got on AliExpress. Woo! What a beauty. So remember, whenever you leave your house, make sure you have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist. And wherever you're going, wherever you're going, make sure you get there on time. Thanks for checking the video out, guys. We'll see you in the next one.